Made for Air India. Air India's first line-fit Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner is what NDTV is traveling in, and we're bringing you the very first exclusive visuals and details of this aircraft. Now, what do I mean by custom fit? This aircraft was purpose-built for Air India. This means that the line-fit meaning carries that this aircraft was not retrofitted after delivery for Air India. In fact, it was built specifically keeping Air India and its specifications in mind. As you can see right now, we are in the business class. These are configurations of 296 seats, and the jet, registered as BTAWA, flew down from Boeing's Everett facility in Washington all the way here, and we are at this point giving you the exclusive experience of this particular aircraft. Now, as you can see here, these reclining seats are in fact full flat body seats. The controls are right here. You can lift up your seat, or you can push it down as well. You can make it a complete flat body. This is a 4K QLED interchangeable screen experience that you're getting here, so you get a lot of options to watch on in your long haul flights. And we also understand that this particular aircraft is designed keeping luxury, keeping privacy in mind. Why do I say privacy? Because it also has optional suite doors, which means that in between two suites you can pull up the slide up doors, and thereby you have your own privacy to yourself. And this is the first such wide body aircraft that the airline has had in over 8 years, ever since the Tata Group's takeover in 2022.
So this first aircraft will start on the Mumbai to Frankfurt route on the 1st of February. It will progressively be deployed on the rest of our European network, Australia, East Asia, so that by the end of the year, about half of our 787 flights will be operated with this new interior aircraft, and then the remainder will be completed throughout 2027.
So this is definitely special for Air India. And what we also must note are the seating. These are the Elevate Ascent seats that Air India has. And the business cabin has 30 suites arranged in the 1-to-1 configuration. These are customizable seats for your luxury in mind. There's enough storage space as well. There's enough leg space as well. There's, of course, premium economy and economy as well right ahead towards the end of this wide body aircraft as well. And the new Boeing Dreamliner is expected to enter international long-haul commercial service on Mumbai to Frankfurt route from 1st February onwards. The airline has placed orders for 570 new aircraft.
Well, we placed this order back in 2022. It takes that long for aircraft to be designed and manufactured and delivered. But now they start coming at a relatively quick pace. A little bit slow in 2026, but certainly 27 and 28, we see a huge transformation in the Air India long-haul wide-body fleet. Bear in mind the domestic fleet has already been nearly entirely upgraded. So what it means a better product for people. It means a higher business class cabin to accommodate more corporate traffic. It means that we can appeal to a wider segment of customers than we could in the past. It means that the seats, the in-flight entertainment, all of these things are the equivalent of any other world-class airline. And the Indian hospitality and service layering on top of that, I think, is the secret sauce that will make Air India something that India can be proud of.
We're clearly, giving you these exclusive visuals of the experience that you will get. This speaks luxury, this speaks privacy, and this keeps the passengers' convenience first in mind for international long-haul flights. Now, of course, a single aircraft will not make about a huge difference, but the real change will come about when multiple such 787-9 Dreamliners come into the fleet of Air India, and they have such plans to add around 20 aircrafts of this kind in this particular year. So, of course, big year for Air India with a lot of promises at this point with their international long-haul services. In Begumpet Airport with camera person Nagraju, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.